Okay, this is backtesting June 2024. I might finish this month because I only have 2 weeks of this month, well, 1 week, because look at this entire week. It's just been sideways. I skipped all of this because it's not tradable. Like, look at that. But now we actually have some movement, so we probably could get something. I don't know. But yeah, so technically have like a week and a half left. What do I want to focus on this video? I want to focus on AMDs, so AMD setups, high time frame and both low time frame. And then the second thing I want to focus on is time and price discounts. Time and price discounts. So time meaning the daily open, midnight open, 8:30 open, 9 o'clock open, and then price discounts just meaning like the range. So like from a range high to a range low. So possibly it's something like this range high to this range low. I don't know, I'm just talking about. Okay, but I want to focus on what the higher time frame AMD looks like. Let's focus, identify any AMD. Okay, what does it look like? Where is a possible AMD setup? Okay, and then where is a discount? Like where is price discounted? Okay, and then let's just see if we can align both of them together. We're in all-time highs condition at this point in time. We have this huge fucking 1 hour, sorry, not 1 hour, this huge like daily gap, this daily open, weekly open gap, bro. So yep, 4 hour, we are playing within these gaps. Yes sir, we're playing within these gaps. Yes sir. Wednesday, Thursday, 1 hour. Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, so that means this is the day open price, right there. It's not true day open. It's just day open. So let's get rid of that T. So there's this day open. Look, what do? We open higher, take out these highs, and then look at this displacement down that we're getting. So we could possibly respect these hourly gaps. I don't think we will, you know. Or we can go up, respect this 15-minute, and trade in line with this trend. Let's look on the 1 hour again. Sorry, I'm just trying to look at something real quick. So this 4 hour gap, low-key failing to hold. How do I know that? Looking at 30-minute. This 30-minute, we tap into this 4 hour. If we wanted to go higher, we would disrespect this 30-minute. No, look at this fucking dump that we get from it. So I think we're going to go lower. I think we're going to take out all this LR. Yeah, all this bullshit. We're gonna take all that out, most likely this session. So yeah, I don't think this gap right here will hold. I don't think these gaps right here will hold. We've already tapped into this hourly, so this is low-key like our last line of defense. But then again, it's like, what is this defending? All of this LR, and then a whole new week opening gap. So what do I want to see? 15-minute, it'd be cool if we can open high into this gap. Yeah. So back to what I said about the AMD setups, we have accumulation up here, manipulation higher. PD array, not really a good PD array, you know, it's all-time highs. So, but we are having a distribution down. So this 15-minute, I would like to take shorts off of. And there's a 30-minute right here. Mark out this 30-minute. Okay, let's see what we do, bro. Boom. Okay. Let me mark that new day opening gap real quick. Oh, it's marked out. Shit. Hold on. How far is it? Hold on. 200 points. That's 100 points. That's doable. That's totally doable. Okay, so look at this dump. What is it playing off of? Nothing cool. So we open lower. Oops. Yeah, we have to clear this out. We're probably going to, like, no hesitation. We tap into this 3 minute. Oh, tap into this 1 minute. So within this 1 minute, so this is like a mech model. We swept out these lows. Boom, 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 boom. So we swept out these lows, but led into that 2-day opening price. Do we have a 4-hour gap or anything? Okay, we have a 4-hour gap. We swept some of this LR. We have a 15-minute we can target. Look how this 15-minute is about to close. Look at this 5 minutes about to close. Would I take this? Yeah, I want to. I don't know where I would put my stop. Like, my break even would be this 15-minute. Probably want to target all these highs. Because, yeah, we are still in that higher time frame AMD. So if this is my inversion, what's protected? What is protected? I guess that low right there. 1-to-1. It's like right here. Let's see if I take this. Let's see what happens, bro. 42 opens. Look how the 50 is closing. Yeah, the SMT, AMD. Playing off a level. Break even that 15-minute gap. Break even 1-to-1 right here. I can target higher here, but this is also where that 30-minute gap is. Hold, hold, hold. Oh boy. Okay, break even on this trade. Look at this reaction though. So, okay, mech, I guess. You know, it's Monday. Fuck, Thursday. Shit. Okay, now both are in a spot to distribute lower. If we distribute lower, I want to see this 5-minute get inversed if we want to distribute lower, or if we respect it, then we possibly could go higher. But damn, this shit gets ripped through. Okay. 51, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this reaction down kind of tells me that we want to go lower, but let's see. If I entered off of this, where would I put my stop, dude? Like, right there, I feel like it's too risky. Could target that low, but fuck. Okay. Oh, and we still have that new week opening, dude. Okay, I definitely could have entered. Where's 9 AM open? Open. Okay. No. Ah, fuck, dude. I definitely. Here. Okay, this would have been more discretional. Like how this 5-minute doesn't hold, this 1-minute holds. We had the higher time from AMD. It's whatever. Okay, next day, because now my draws technically hit. So that was a break even. Oh boy. That's break even for that trade. Okay, now we're into this day where we are now about to fill this gap completely. We have the ending of this gap right here. Some cons I can see right away. SMT at these lows. Right there. Okay, so we have SMT at those lows. What do I think this SMT is going to do? Possibly make us go up and rebalance, which is what we did over here. We rebalanced this range. 17, 18. So we open here. What do we do? We go higher. Boom, get this reaction down. Okay. If we wanted to go higher, this SMT would help us disrespect this 1 hour. But this 1 hour right now looks to be holding. And we are in the premium of this range. So, yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. We have this 15-minute intermediate low, which is most likely going to get hit. I don't want to use it to target this because I think this is high resistance. Like we still have this high already. This looks like an AMD. It's just these highs are always sweeping on each other, and then I don't think this high is the resistance. Okay, so now we have another SMT with this high. Again, I don't know if we want to go to this, like we're overall bearish. Oh. I don't like how this looks too. Like I don't know what we're doing in this range. I think we want to fill out this new week opening. Okay, and then we fill it up, of course. Let's see. Okay, now that we fill it up, now we can possibly look for like bullish plays, or we can just go lower. Shit. Because now there is this intermediate low down here. Yes, it's all zoomed out. You can see we react off of that. Ooh, we sweep this low though. 15 minutes. Get rid of this SMT. Get rid of this range. We have a new 15-minute gap above here. We have range high, range low. Right there. Have LR. You have LR right there though. Open. Here's 9 AM open. Boom, boom, boom. 15-minute, 5-minute. We open to a 5-minute. Let's see. Not the best displacement. Okay, 12, 13. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I like how we... Hey, I'll enter this. Stop above there and then target. I will take this with the displacing. I like how we play off this 705 level, so I will have my stop like right here so I can target 1-to-1. Break even. I have no break even, so let's just write it out. Oh, of course we fucking chop, bruh. Ah, bro, maybe I'm just fucking shit at trading, dude. Why do we not go lower from here? What do we do? Why do we not take this though? Why the fuck do we not take this? I don't fucking know. Why the fuck do we not take this shit, dude? Move. Oops. Oops. 1 hour. Wrong button. I took that with the continuation approach. I guess maybe it's because of this reaction after filling out this gap completely. So this reaction wick out of this, how we failed to close out of it. I need to start using my discretion. And then, what is this, Monday? Friday? Gosh, this is fucking ugly. We're fucking chopping, dude. So right now we are accumulating. This is accumulation. We have the day open. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 17. We have day open right here. We have true day open right here. We're below true day open. We're accumulating 1 day. We already swept out previous day low. We are still within this gap. You can see 4 hour. We've already swept out these lows. 1 hour. We're just in the fucking range, dude. This shit's ugly. I'm gonna wait till we break out of this range. But right now we could possibly look for an A and B setup. 4 hour. Look, if we sweep out this intermediate high, then we could look for shorts from there. But right now, I don't see anything. So let's just see what we do off open. Do we have any news? Wait, what the fuck? 8:29, Friday, 8:29. What the hell? June 27. What? Whatever. Let's just finish this week, dude. Okay, bet. Look how we broke out of this range. What are we in, a weekly gap? Nope. 1 day. We're still within this daily gap. We set our previous day low. You can see this accumulation on the higher time frame. And then, not only that, we have S&Ps at these lows. So S&Ps at these lows, we swept. Ooh, we didn't sweep these lows right here. We never swept those lows, but we have an SMT. $15-minute, nothing. Let's see. We can target those highs. 5-minute. We are in a good key level. It's that daily gap and an SMT low. It's just we have relatively equal lows now with this low. I want to see this low get swept. Boom. Okay. Ooh! I almost missed my entry. Entry here. Stop there. Whoa. I like these highs as a target. I like this high time from AMD. Break even. Don't know. What the fuck? Did ES already hit my draw? It's about to, bro. ES is about to hit my draw. Okay, now this is break even because now we have a fat ass SMT. We have that SMT low-key. I'll get out right here. Hey, okay. I got one dub, dudes. I got one dub. Oh, fuck. Low-key, I guess I could have held right here with the AMD. Take me with the AMD. And I also could have entered here, got a better R, but low-key pressing buy too fast. Oh, so I saw the high time frame AMD. Let me know this shit. So high time frame AMD. What are we in? True day opens up there, so we're in a price discount with the true day open and day open, or sorry, 8:30 open too. So we're in a pretty good time discount. And then price discount too. We're just in a range. We can see like below this range and we're within that daily gap. This could have got me a banger entry, but I fucking missed my shit because I was pressing those too fast. Look at the V-shape inversion too, bro. This was actually a clean ass setup, bro. This is a clean setup. Next day. Maybe this week we'll make up for my losses. Oh. Look, you've been getting cooked, bro. Okay. Okay, we're still within this daily gap. Okay, we have lots of LR above here. And then there is this SMT down here too. So what can I expect about these high time frame SMTs that are against the trend? They usually lead to a rebalance. So this 4 hour will be my condition. If we respect it, I think we will want to go lower to this low. If we disrespect it, we want to go to those highs, to all these highs up here. Like the desert mist the rain. We already have this SMT right here. I think we're gonna go higher. Let's see. Huzzah. Okay. We also have this SMT. With that half there, we have a high time frame AMD, so 8:30 open. This is 8:30 open right here. 8:30. Go on the 15-minute, we can see this accumulation. We manipulate into what? This hourly gap. We sweep out this low. We have a what? This high time frame SMT. I think it'll take it. I believe it'll take us to this 4 hour. Because go on the 4 hour, not the 4 minute, 4 hour. We are still at a pretty discounted range. Equilibrium's above that, so I think we will go higher. So any inversion out of here, I'll take. 30-second. Two minute, 1 minute. Let's see how this 1 minute closes. I'll take this 1 minute. I don't really care about the 2 minute. And then I'll target this 4 hour, dude. Break even. Shit, I don't have a break even. These highs up there. Actually, no, these high. Well, yeah, break even right here. Because it's Judas, like we shouldn't really return to those lows. Oh, please. Please. Oh my gosh! Is this break even, bro? I thought we wanted these highs, bro. I guess not. Oh! Bang! Okay. We rebalanced now. But then again, like, is this high resistance? Probably. 9 o'clock, 9:01. So that was easy. We have, yeah, that was easy. So we were in a time discount, this 8:30, and then price discount too. Wait, were we in a discount on the price? No, we were not. But we were in a price discount. No, sorry, time discount and time discount. 1, 19, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so here, not a time discount on the daily, nor price discount. I mean, we were within this range, but yeah, banger. But I think from here, so now you kind of are in a price discount, 8:30, trade open. Like here's trade open. But then again, do we really want to go to trade open when we went up, went higher below trade open, swept that previous day low, put in an SMT, and had this bullish reaction? So this low is high resistance, and not only that, so we retrace into this 1 hour gap, and we get a pretty good reaction out of it to this 4 hour gap. And then like how we play out of this 4 hour gap, we don't respect it, so I don't think we go to these lows. But let's see. Yeah, we don't go to these lows. We continue higher. Let's fucking go, bro. Let's fucking go, guys. I don't know if that's 1 or 2 losses. Or sorry, 1 or 2 wins. Okay, cool. So now we're attacking all this LR now. Now we're starting to take out all these. Yep, let's just fucking dive into the bitch. We have LR here, which I don't like. 4 hour. Okay, we're within this 4 hour. We're in the time discount now. Or price discount. No, we're not. Damn, bruh. We're almost in that discount though. Just a little shy from it. We have 17 o'clock. 17 o'clock. So we are both in a price and time discount. This I would not say. Wait. Yeah, I would say we had no manipulation of the upside. Like we haven't hit any key level for us to actually go lower from yet. The key level for me would be this daily gap / previous day high. However, we go lower into a good key level that price can play off of, which is this 4 hour gap. And we're also sweeping out some LR. I don't like how there is still all of this, but I like how we sweep this, so it really just depends on how we play from here. I prefer us going lower, sweeping out this low, because then we'd be at the equilibrium point, and we can have like a mech up to like these 15-minute gaps. But high time frame AMD, I don't see it. The only one I see is like on the high time frame, like the 4 hour. Oops, zoom out, where we have this accumulation, and then move up. Or sorry, 1 hour, 4 hour. That's the only time, only AMD I see. So I think we could complete this AMD and take out those highs. Let's go. 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay, let's see how we open, dude. So we open higher. These lows, I would say, are protected. We have an SMT inside of this 4 hour gap now. And then we have these 15-minute gaps here. Matter of fact, don't we have 1 hour gaps? No, they're all up there. 15-minute, we have them here. Okay, so let's just see how we play once we hit these gaps. Oh shit, we don't hit it. I mean, we're within that 3. Nothing for me. Chop, chop, chop. Hit this 15-minute. Yeah, no reaction out of this 15 minutes. So this SMT is actually holding. SMT inside the higher time frame gap. This 15-minute gap isn't holding. I had it marked out. We're sweeping out these lows. Look at this soup. So now what is my draw? This 1 hour gap. And then also we go on the 15 minute, we go on the 5 minute. This LR too. Oh, holy shit! I almost missed my entry. Wait, if we even get 156. 59. 15 minute open one. We open one down there. 1 hour. 3 minutes. I don't like this rejection, bro, but can we sweep out those lows, please? Good. Where should I open? This is should I open? Nah. So for me, now the draws are going to be these highs if we just disrespect this 1 hour gap. Oh shit, we have a lot of 1 hour gaps. Or not a lot, we have multiple 1 hour gaps. We have this gap here, that gap right there. We could have a mech. Actually, could we? Because this low, I would say, is high resistance. We don't really need to go to that. But we could argue that we are in a time and price discount. Look at the range marked out. We have 9 a.m. discounted or premium, and then also the 8:30 premium. So yeah, let's just see. Boom. Okay, instant reaction off of that. 3 minutes, 2 minutes. I like the instant reaction. I like the V shape. My draw then would be this low right here, this 15 minute that's about to get created. I don't think we have to go down to all those. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. 15 minute. Boom. SMT. Sweep out those highs. I like the LR generated, so now we're both in the time and price based discount. We have a gap that we can target right there. Get rid of this. We did sweep out all this LR, so, and we have an SMT added. We have a mech. 2 minute. I'll take this. I like the inversion. We have an accumulation, manipulation high that souped out these highs. So it look like this. Where can I get out? Oh, this 15 minute. Let's see. Three minutes. I mean, do I expect this 3 minute to hold price higher when we've had this slow like move up? Nah, let's just see what happens if I hold. Or do I be a safe bitch? Because we are now in an uptrend. Like, is this 3 minute really gonna bring price higher? I'm debating, bro. And then in IRL markets too, I know like I wouldn't have this amount of time too. How about I go break even at equilibrium? I look-y have hella equilibriums marked out. Okay, so break even at equilibrium is pretty much that 15 minute gap. Cool. Let's see what we do. Fuck yeah! That's a dub. Let's see what we do from here though. Okay, and we respect the fuck out of that shit. Oh, hold on, do we? Yeah, we do. No, we don't! No, we don't! Okay, next day. I have what? 2 more days? Cool. Fucking, we did not complete the cycle. We did not take out all this LR. We did not take out these previous day highs. So, and then on top of that, this fucking presidential debate, 8 p.m. Top of that, this price action doesn't look so great too. 1 hour, 4 hour. Okay. I can just say that we're playing out of this. That's all I see so far. Did we respect? We did. So we hit equilibrium, and since then we've been going up. Like we can see, we hit this 1 hour gap, we're going higher. We hit this 1 hour gap, we're going higher. We have equal highs here, so that is my draw. I would say these are high resistance. Like we've had a place to distribute. We do have we are playing off of this 4 hour sweep. So yeah, let's see. Oh wait, this is a data low though, right? 7:30. Why did it say there was no news? Oh, wait, my fault. I'm dumb. Okay. Press. Let's see. Open. Boom. We go higher. Nothing. Okay. We could look for max shorts because now we have this SMT. We have an AMD. We have the. We're obviously in the premium side now of the range. We have time discount with the 830. We have price discount or time discount too with the day open. But do we really have to go to this low all the way down here? I can argue no, because this is high resistance. Like we swept this inside the 4 hour, and look at the reaction that we've had up. But we have the two SMTs. We have the data low, so I do think we can go to the data low. 52nd brief. Let's see how we play. Now we want to go higher. Shit. Damn. What? Damn. So we don't want to go to that data low. Damn. Okay, we sweep out those highs too. We have an SMT and everything with those highs. 5 minute. We have. Let's just see what we do, brief. Georgie. Damn. Okay. I think we're done this day. We could possibly go down here too. We have the SMT inside of a good key level. We have this data low open. We have 830 just left open. So yeah, let's just see how we play. I think if we inverse this, then I'll look for an entry. Yeah, this is going to be very discretional. But now this 5 minute is not really holding. Wait, we have. I'll put my stop right there. Target this data low. Actually, this is lucky breaking my rules now, bro. See, I get stopped. I'm such a fucking dumbass. News, no 9 AM news, but 9 AM opens right here. 15 minute. We have a 15 minute right here. We could take a Mac. Hopefully we're in the 5 minute. No, we're not in any 5 minute, 3 minute. We're in this 3 minute. These highs are SMT'd. So get rid of those highs. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Let's just see what we do from here. We're slowing down. Okay, we inversed it, so. Fuck. Okay. No SMT. 9 AM. 15 minutes. God, what the hell? 3 minutes. We are generating LR now. Boom. Okay, we hit this 15 minute. Okay, hold on, it's late into the session. I already have my dub. Wait, no, I don't have a dub for this day. When I take this, I like the soup. I like our break-even point, but it's late into the session. We have 8:30 no manipulation, a data level low. Last day of the week. Let's not do anything stupid, Rich Gang. Ooh. So we have all of this down there. And then we are playing out of this daily gap too. Playing out of this daily gap. Okay, we see that. We have 17. We have the day open. Oops, right here. Day opens right there. True day open? No, it's not true day open. It's day open. This is a data high, obviously. It's 7:30 data high. Damn, I don't have data? Oh, hold on. That's a data high. 4 hour. We are playing within this 4 hour gap. 15 minutes. It's just we have a good amount of LR below, and then we have there is this AMD set. Look, accumulation. The manipulation move was this data high, and just look at the distribution move down. So my theory is, if we go up, tap into this 30 minute, and it gets respected, then we don't want to go to these highs. We're going to want to go clear all this LR. That's my theory. Let's see. Damn. Also, I'm open to mechs now too. Bruh, look at ES ripping up. And then if we disrespect these 15 minutes, then yeah, maybe we do want to go to that data high. Oh yeah, we want to go to that data high. I don't know how to catch an entry from here though. Boom, okay, bet. And then now we hit that data high. Okay, so yeah, fuck me a tear, bruh. And then, yep, we just run up. That's probably it for this session too. Wait, unless we have all-time highs, like, ooh, we actually have all-time highs right here. Oh yeah. I will look for a line if you can get one. Not from a 5 minute gap though. Equal lows, nope. That's better manipulation. Bro. Fuck you. Why do we leave this 15 minute gap open? Do we have more equal lows? Fuck y'all. More accumulation. Where are you? Where are you? Tres minutos. Okay, no, we don't want to go higher. Damn. How could I have gotten a trade to that data high? Only trade I see me taking is the CISD. I don't enter on CISD though. Or since you broke out of this range, well, no, because then we tapped this gap, got into this 1 minute, and respected it. I guess this would have been very discretional if I took that. Because assuming that we, like, yeah, you could also count this manipulation, I guess. I don't know. Because this still is accumulation. We got this manipulation move up. And then what did we have? This distribution down to all this LR. Oh, fuck. My Wi-Fi. We had the distribution down to all this LR to a true day opening price. Once we get below true day opening price, we are now in a what? Time discount. Okay, we're also in this 4-hour gap. We have LR, the trend is bullish. We have data high, all-time highs above. 8:30, we manipulate lower, adding on to that time discount, and we get this move higher. So we get a change in the state right here, and then we close above structure here. And then we tap into this 15-minute. So if we do want to go lower, this 15-minute will get respected, right? I guess. But we go lower, tap into this 1 minute, and this 1 minute holds over a 15-minute. So yeah, I guess we go higher. I guess this would have been a very discretional play, but it's chill. This is Friday, January. Hopefully this is the end of June. I don't feel like, yeah, okay, that's the end of June. Let's see my June stats. Okay, so here is my June stats. First half of the month, low-key buns. 1, 2, 3, 4 losses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins. So, damn, that's like fucking 60% win rate, dude. Low-key buns! That's so fucking buns, dude. That's so buns. But then again, a lot of these trades could have been avoidable too. Like, I mean, I'm still up on the month. My win rate is at a 57, so yeah, at a 60%. My fucking R. If I want to sit in the 60% win rate, I need my R to be higher. Average R is like 1.4. This shit needs to be higher because I'm up 10 racks. Like, how much am I up this month? Just looking at this month. Last month was mid. April, I was getting butt fucked. I'm not gonna lie, I was getting butt fucked in April. June, profitable month. We're up 3%. So what is that, like 500? Let me calculate this out real quick. Got 500 plus 800. Damn it. Plus 800 plus 650 plus 9 2. Let's just put 900 plus 630 minus 2 grand. I'm only up 1.4k, and that would be on the one account. So across 5, that would put me up like around 7.4k a month. Yeah, I think if I want to be in this, if I just can't get this shit above the 60%, bro, I have to increase my win rate. Or sorry, if I can't get my win rate above 60%, then I have to increase my R. Or if I want to keep my R the same, I have to increase my win rate. Me increasing my win rate, I think there are some trades that could have been avoidable. I would have to go back to some of the old videos that I watched, the old videos that I filmed, but I do remember some trades too being avoidable. Like this Friday trade, the first loss that could have been avoidable. I was kind of trading towards high resistance, I guess. You know, like look at the rejection we got out of it. There was LR. I keep 9 a.m. LR looking butt fucks me. Because if we look at a day like this, this is another Friday too. Look at 9 a.m. We create all this LR. Is this LR or is it just low volume, low volatility? We get this inversion right here. I enter. I get break even just because I'm not like after seeing this chop. It's like okay, I probably should get out. And it's also late into the session too, which is probably a bad thing. But 9 a.m. I get chopped out. So yeah, I'm okay. I'm not really happy with these. They could be better. Like I do want to get my win rate higher because 60% is not cutting it for me, dude. Like 57 and my R is only 1. I'm only aiming for 1. Like I want to be at like the 75 at the very least. At the very least, on average, I want to be 80% win rate if I'm targeting 1 R. So yeah.